reasons why HTML5 rocks! New multimedia tags!
Top 4 in our countdown for the top 5 reasons why HTML5 rocks is the multimedia content. Basically, HTML5 comes with inherent video and audio tags nga kumpara nato sa una sa HTML4 where we embed objects. Hassle kayo because complex ang code. Here in HTML5 we have inherent video and audio codes. So as an example, I'll show you. So here I have since a local ramon ko nag program, so I'm using C. So dito na gibutang ang this is the location of my video and this is the location of my sound. So given this, I can also put an ID wherein I can use for JavaScript, and ultimately I can also use for CSS. So makita na to ang connections at ang mga elements sa HTML5. So sa video and audio, you can also use SVG and Canvas na APIs. At ito sila, pwede na ito sila integrate sa atong video and audio so that we create better and more faster and more depende sa atong needs. So, efficient, effective. So ultimately, ni-improve siya in terms of multimedia because in terms of graphics and in terms of video and audio na ata kompleto ang HTML5. So here's the code, same as kanina. We have this because this tells our browser that it is HTML5. Of course, the basic stuff is part of HTML. Then we create the video tag. So here's the video tag. Ang video tag na siya ay close tag. Okay, and then markup na siya. So Rick Rob, mga kuha na ko gipanta names nila, ako mga titles. So actually you can pwede pang mas daghang parameters there, controls, autoplay, you can add one. So for now this ato yung autoplay. Okay, so I'm gonna play this. Okay, let's say that. Okay, it's saved the day. Okay, it's saved. So let's move on to yeah, this is it. There's the site. So ang video and ang ako ang audio na siya. So basically apil na gani niya ang iyang user interface. Comes with HTML5, so it's very cool. So here
You're no stranger to love. You know the rules, and so do I. No commitment strong, thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Gonna give you up, gonna let you down, gonna run around and betray you.
we have audio. Let's try to modify this. Let's try autoplay. So very simple, talaga autoplay dire. And then there, you save that and then
You're no sleeps too long. You know the rules, and so do I. No commitments, one with your love. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make
stop na before makakanta ko. So basically mo to siya ang ato ang video and audio tags for multimedia, and that's the top 4 reason nga nung HTML5 Rocks.